You can't just copy and paste some recommendation. You have to actually go in there and submit it. All these people like logged in and submitted it on my profile, so it's authentic. This is a good example that says within 30 days of commencing my lead generation campaign, the BB Consulting team has optimized my profile and I'm consistently meeting with at least 2 potential clients every day. BB Consulting's approach is highly results focused, ideal for B2B markets where it's traditionally difficult to reach primary decision makers. This is the most effective lead generation system I've come across, and the team have been exceptional in their standard of customer service and professionalism. In my opinion, BB Consulting is the leading social media agency for business professionals in Australia. You know, I'm really proud of our results. Social proof communicates that to our market, because it's no good just doing all this work and no one knowing about it. Not like you're going to be any more believable than the next guy that says he's results focused. Everyone's saying that shit. So social proof is massive on social media.